Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Start by going into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Send on Sony and Receive on Samsung. Now you need to choose all of those type of those and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, click on this one for example, tap Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Samsung, then choosing Allow and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also go back and input this key instead. Then tap on Receive and wait. And after that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!